Kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen. I want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all my friends them on Facebook, you know what I mean? Even my YouTube fans, them the one who follow me right straight through the year, guys. It's amazing. I want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Thank you so much, guys, for spending the beautiful time watching all of my video. Is amazing. I can't even explain it from my heart to where I want to say thank you so much. I want to say thank you guys for all who always liking my picture, my Instagram, and all my friends that will follow me. I want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. It's just amazing. I big up everyone. I hope we respect you. Love from Chef Ricardo and the team. So big respect. Merry Christmas one more time and a Happy New Year. Big Happy New Year. Prosperity, love, and blessing for 2016. Blessing and love from Chef Ricardo. We will pray and continue, guys. This is amazing. Thank you so much. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Merry Christmas again. Have a lovely Christmas dinner and have a lovely roast dinner. There's tips and ideas on the YouTube channel. Enjoy yourself and see you next time. Bye bye.